me show you what I bought just before Christmas as a present to myself, as I want to get into radio controlled cars again. So I bought this job lot on a certain site, wanting as a project to make electric radio controlled cars. So I just want to thank Kevin Talbot for inspiring me with all the great videos that he's doing on YouTube. So I've got this huge electric mounting board motor, a spare one that I took out of my old board. If you haven't seen the video, I'll put a link up there for you. So this motor is capable of 3,500 watts. I don't think I'm going to be running that sort of power, but I want to convert this Nitro truck. It's like a 1/5 scale truck. I want to convert it into electric. I've just taken the tank out. I'm now trying to make up a bracket so that can house that in there like that. And obviously I'm waiting for some gears. It's an 8mm shaft. Yeah, just waiting for them parts, and then I'll give you an update. So a few days later, my gears have just turned up in the post. I ordered 3 sets. Yeah, they're very good. They fit on the motor nicely. They mesh up nicely as well in there. All I've got to do now is make the bracket out of this aluminium. So I'm going to do that now. Well, I hope that's making sense right now. Cut this piece out here, and then I can select whatever gears I want to put in and slide the motor across. There we go. It's pretty much in there. All I've got to do is bolt that mount on the bottom with some countersunk screws to bolt that in, and we should be good to go. Look at the size of this thing. Look, this is a 500mm spray can. Look at that. It's absolutely huge. It's crazy size. So what do you think of that right now? It's looking pretty decent, isn't it? So I've got this 3D printed case that I printed out years ago on my old CR10 printer, and that was for the actual ESC that's inside there, which controls the motor. So that I've cable tied that down. That's all good. All I've got to do is just get a bit of double-sided tape, stick it on there like that, and then obviously you've got my power leads, and I've got my servo leads there for the steering. Get all them nicely tidied up, and I've ordered a Hoverboard battery. Then we shall see this little bad boy running, see how good it runs. And then we've got the body shell that I 3D printed. Yeah, so wicked, mate. I'm really excited to give this a go. I've been wanting a radio controlled car for a little while, so a nice little project. So while I've been waiting for the batteries, I've been servicing the shocks. So they're nice now, new oil in the fronts. Now I've got to do the backs. That's the other ones done. I'm gonna stick them on the rear and get them sorted. Right, that's pretty much done now. So I've done the shocks, wired in the ESC, the motor, done a bit of wiring. I've done an extension for the battery, an extension for that. Done the front shocks, and now I've got to wait for the battery, but you haven't. So here it is. Batteries arrived, and that was very fast. I'm very impressed with the speed that they came from AliExpress. I've just temporarily bolted it on the back. I've programmed the ESC now. Now it's compatible with the 10S batteries. Yeah, reprogrammed the ESC, and it's working now. Before I take this out, I wanted some like body mounts, so I bought some more because these are longer and I can fit my Beetle shell on there. Someone cut these ones down, so they're a little bit too short for the Beetle. The body ends up rubbing on the side here, so that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to fit them on. Here's what they look like with the original body shell. So that's what the original body was. This is a Hot Bodies Lightning GT. So yeah, it's still pretty cool, but it's not what I was looking for. And that's what it looks like with the VW Beetle shell. So I like this one. So I'm going to mesh the windows and stuff, I think, or probably make some windows for it. Just make it a little bit more detailed. And yeah, so this is going to be the one I'm going to choose for now. So what do you think? Tell me in the comments what one you prefer. I've got another one over there as well. So yeah, that's the other pickup truck. I prefer the VW one, to be honest. Did you press record? I'll just show you how steep this hill is. I'll climb this hill and let you have a look. Right, that's it guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I think I've done the gearbox in this now, so I hope you've enjoyed that. I know I have. So hit that subscribe button to find out what I'm going to do with this next. See you in the next one.